Hello, my dear friends. I'm Sohrab Aghaei, and I'm glad to be with you with another clip. On the last day of the year, I wish you health and happiness and a lot of money next year. Let's start by looking at Shiba Inu currency today. At the end of this clip, some videos are suggested to you. One of them is related to the previous analysis clip about Shiba Inu. If you have seen Shiba's previous analysis, remember that I said that Shiba should be able to pass through these two areas of yellow and red. I also calculated the amount of capital you were allowed to invest in these areas. 5% for the red area and 20% for the yellow area. If Shiba can break that area forcefully in 4-hour time frame. Price could not cross this area. It has not even been able to elevate the red zone sales pressure. This can be understood from the small amount of trading volume at the moment of touching the red area. But what should we do now? What should we expect? What scenarios await us? Which areas should not be broken? These are the questions we will answer together. If you have seen the previous analysis, I said that we need a safe move to cross the red area. I have defined safe move for you many times in the analysis. Safe movement is a movement that indicates a decrease in the power of sellers, not an increase in the power of buyers, because the power of buyers shows its limits after failure and it is almost impossible to calculate before failure. Look at this part. Look at this. This is not a safe move to defeat the red zone. Rather, look at this. Rather, it's a safe move. We need a higher floor. We need a higher low. I will explain this to you in future in training clips. I promise. Let's go back to the analysis. Shiba Inu's recent move to break the red area was not a safe move, and I made that point. Shiba has dropped again. There are two scenarios. Scenario 1. Maybe Shiba is building a new pivot. If this pivot is higher than the previous pivot, then Shiba's next move to break the red zone will be a safety move. Scenario 2. Maybe Shiba is making a lower pivot than the previous pivot. In this case, we have to wait for the information to be generated on the chart so that we can use the generated information to analyze Shiba's intention. Currently, the area where we don't expect Shiba to have a close is below 0.00003. Well guys, I hope this clip has been able to help you a little in imagining how Shiba moves. Please support me by liking and subscribing. Please introduce my YouTube page to your friends. I wish you good days. Goodbye.